Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your most requested Charms Pick a Card reading. Yes, friends, what will happen 1 year from now? Many of you requested this reading, friends. Here it is now. It is a timeless reading, friends. Whenever you come across this, you can watch it. It is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. Do make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading. At the end of every month, one person will be selected by random name selector for free readings. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Also, friends. You can check other readings which I have done, the 2021 pick a card readings, your other readings 3 months from now. Lots of readings I have done, so you can check that out, in friends. And this is a charms reading. I have my bag of charms here. Yes, friends. So let's take a deep breath. Let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number 1, this beautiful unexpected income card. Option number 2, the gift card. Option number 3, the beautiful message card. So relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section, so you can directly go there and skip to the number that you have chosen. If you're not, you can also watch the entire video, friends, because it will relate to you more or less, so you can watch the entire reading also. Let's see for option number 1 year from now, how things will be if you chose this beautiful unexpected income card. Let's see. Option number 1. Let's keep it here. All right. So this is your romance angels. These are your oracle messages. We'll take a look at them shortly. We'll also be having your charms. So yes, lots of things happening. Okay. So currently I feel you are feeling very stressed out, friends. Very stressed out. You are feeling restricted. You are feeling like caught. You are feeling you have no options, nowhere to go right now. Some of you might be having some health issues, anxiety, stress, worry. Some of you are not sleeping properly. You feel like life is blocked everywhere, like in work, in love, everywhere you feel restricted, and it's causing you worry. I can feel my heart is going, worry, like sad, yeah, like tension. So you're feeling stressed out right now, friends. But this is the 9 energy. So 9 is about completions. 9 is you are very close to change. A change is coming for you. So let's see. Oh wow, yes. Again, the 9 energy is here, 9 of wands. I would say, friends, that you are doing something, whatever you are doing, keep doing that, because 1 year from now, you will find a lot of success in that, in whatever you are doing, whether it is work, career, business, love, marriage, whatever you are working on. Maybe you are learning something, keep at it. Things may be seeming like they are not working right now, but I feel you are going to get a lot of success, and you are very close to achieving that success. I feel it will not even take 1 year before this success manifest for you. Keep taking charge, keep taking action, change this energy of worry by taking action and guided action. So yeah, that is there, and you're very close. Don't give up on your dreams. Are you giving up on your dreams? Like, oh, this will not happen, I'm single, I'll not find anyone. No, you don't give up on your dreams. Stay, keep fighting, keep attracting, keep manifesting, because you are very, very close to achieving your dreams, your goals. So 1 year from now, judgment, yes, God is going to bless you. God, the universe, is going to bless you with whatever you desire. Your hard work will pay off. If you are having some legal issues, you will find victory in that, or resolutions. If you are having money issues, money is coming, friends. Money is coming. Whatever you are working on right now, it is going to expand in the next 1 year. And not only expand, it is going to bring you success, it is going to bring you love, it is going to bring you luck. So if you are single, you are attracting a marriage. Yes, you are attracting a marriage. 1 year from now you might be married. So keep looking, don't give up. Maybe you have seen a lot of arranged marriage proposals, or you have dated a lot of people, or you have been single for like forever, 9 years, 10 years, maybe for longer. Don't give up. Don't give up. The message is very clear. Don't give up. Don't be stressed out. Keep moving ahead. Keep moving. Keep taking action. You will have justice. You will have this success that's yours. You will have that marriage. You will have the business deal. You will have that success. You will have your empire. Go for it. 1 year from now, some of you might be married. 1 year from now, some of you will be having a legal victory. Some of you might be owning an empire, or maybe a very large business, or you are at a head of a company. So, yeah, Chariot, yes. 1 year from now, you will be living at a very, very different place than right now. If you are having, like, I don't know, I shouldn't say like, do you feel like wherever you are, that's not your place? Like, the way you live, it's not where you live, it's the way you are living right now. You feel you deserve better. You deserve to be a millionaire. You deserve riches, comfort, health, love, affection, care. Yes, 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 you deserve it all. You deserve it, and it's coming. 1 year from now, you will be traveling a lot. You will have the luxury to travel a lot. You will have money to travel a lot. You will also have a lot of comfort. Your lifestyle, your living lifestyle will be changing 1 year from now. It is like, you coming into luxury. It's not about luxury, it is about your life becoming more comfortable. You will have options, you will have relief from health issues, and also your living status will increase. It will expand, it will become better. Some of you might move or shift towards a country or a city which has hills, lakes, oceans, towards the countryside. You will live there, you will love it, and it will be something you always wanted to do. So it's amazing, and it will happen. It will be a big change, but it will happen for you 1 year from now. Wheel of Fortune, yes, your luck is going to change, friends. If you feel you are very, very lucky, unlucky right now, it is going to change. If you feel like money is not coming, 1 year from now, you will be very lucky. If you have no job right now, 1 year from now, you can be in the most amazing job and doing the most amazing work you wanted to do. So get ready. The wheel is changing for you, the cycles are shifting for you. It is time to not give up. Keep fighting, keep learning, keep expanding. I also feel 1 year from now, you will be, taking charge of your life. Like right now, you feel very restricted, like you can't do anything. Uh, it is like, you can't do any sort of change right now, or you feel like you can't change your life. You are bound to people, or you are bound to circumstances. But 1 year from now, you will be in charge of your own destiny. You will do whatever you want to do. You will have that freedom, the luxury, that money, and the comfort and the love of people. So get ready, friends, get ready. Queen of Cups, yes, you will have this emotions. You will have this luxury, this, what you say, comfort. You will have this, yes, this is my life, I can finally enjoy it, I feel so achieved. The sense of achievement, the sense of accomplishment, you will have it. And there will be a lot of maturity, a lot of peace in your life 1 year from now. If you are having health issues, they will be resolved. And if you are single, you will find someone very loving and very mature, like a stable relationship, probably a marriage also. I also feel that for some of you in the next 1 year, you will, if you are struggling right now, feeling positive or something like that, you will feel positive, friends. You will feel positive. You will feel a sense of purpose, a sense of direction, a sense of freedom, a sense of relief, a sense of like, yes, money is coming, my needs are fulfilled. It's a beautiful energy 1 year from now. All these restrictions, if you feel like right now there is too much competition in your work or your colleges or for exams you are giving, 1 year from now you'll be like, "Phew, finally that phase is over and we are into something new." So relief, the sense of relief. Like right now you are looking for dates or lovers and nothing is right, no one is matching. But 1 year from now, you'll be like, "Yay, I'm with the right person, and look at what I achieved, what I manifested." So, look at you guys. Ace of Cups, yes, a new love, a profound love is coming for you. And I feel this is not just a love that is a soulmate or a relationship, this is self love. You falling in love with life, you feeling excited about life, you finding health, you finding money and creativity. So you will feel excited, you will feel very excited and relieved is the best word. You will feel like, yes, finally we did it. You always wanted to achieve this sense of freedom, this sense of peace and success. It is coming. And yes, a new love or a renewed love with someone is coming for you. A marriage is going to happen, so get ready. Knight of Rods, yes, Aries, Leo, Sag person, Sagittarius person, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important for you. Number 27 is important. Number 11, 12, 13 are important. So yes, you will feel a lot of sense of excitement, direction. You will be doing the job that you are looking for, or you are manifesting. You are, like if you have recently joined work and you feel where you will be 1 year from now, at a leadership position, you'll be very excited with the work you are doing, and you'll be working with very close to the company's head also. So yeah, very very exciting. And I do feel a very passionate connection, but very stable connection or relationship is coming 1 year from now. Probably the chances of marriage with that person will be high. You may already be married. If you are already married with them, things will get better in this connection. If your marriage is going through issues right now, don't worry. 1 year from now, things can, and there is a strong potential of this marriage to heal. And if you are single, there is a strong potential of a lover coming your way, which is destined to marry you. Seven of Pentacles, yes, money is coming. You are building your fortune, friends. You are, I won't be surprised if some of you end up into a Fortune 5 company, you are really building an empire, or you already have it, but it will expand in the future. Whatever you start from now, in till the next 1 year, it is going to expand. It is going to, it won't be easy. Yes, there will be challenges, competition will be there, but it will bring you the reward. It will be very successful. Any business, any companies, any jobs you do, any career you start, any love relationships, amazing, it will go amazing. And so right now you should not give up. Keep working. Competition is there. Keep working hard, keep taking actions. We'll also have the charm, so wait for that also. Giving and receiving, yes. The all the hard work you are doing right now, all the patience that you are showing right now, or you have been showing in the past, keeping patience and everything, that will be repaid to you, friends. That will be given back. All the love you have given, it will return back. All the luck you have given or support, it will come back. So go for it, friends. If be kind. If you are feeling like, oh, why should we be kind, you should be kind right now, because it is only going to come back triple amounts or tenfolds back to you. So pile number one, I'm sure your best friend, because I know you're gonna win a lottery or you're gonna be a really really, things are going to change. It may, some of you like, oh, we can't be a millionaire 1 year from now. You never know, friends. 1 year can do so much. Like, look at 2020, it just changed everything. And it started like that, nobody knew it. We knew it, of course, we were psychics, but like still, it started like this. So 1 year can do a lot if you put your mind to something. So yeah, so all your patience, all the love, everything you give now is going to come back to you with a lot of love and success. Archangel Raphael, some of you are going to connect with financial healing, so you are going to attract a lot of finances. Money, some of you are going to heal your health 1 year from now, so you will experience more better health, vitality, and fitness. Some of you may even become fitness coaches or counselors, healers, spiritual people. So go for it, friends. I see artists also in this pile, artists, businessmen, creators, innovators. Pile number one, who are you people? I want to know you. Please give me your autographs before it is too late. And there's a queue outside your house, so give it to me right now. So, yeah, a lot of healing is happening, friends. Go for it. And it's amazing. 1 year from now, great things happening. And yes, some of you will be like, oh, but this is so easy. No, it is not. You have to face your own darkest fears to reach to this success. Anxiety, worry, depression, you have to face it all. You have to change. You have to move out of your comfort zone to achieve this. You also have to face competition and stand bold in it, stand sure with it. And that is when you are going to achieve it. That's when you are going to achieve it all 1 year from now. Success, look at that. I know that there is no greater goal than to love. Wow, friends, you are going to fall in love with the way life is. Yes, amazing romance is coming, amazing love, and love for your work, your career, your education, that is also coming. Wow, some of you could be going into traveling jobs where you will travel a lot, travel throughout the world, teaching people, educating people, or becoming healers, counselors, or maybe you are married to someone who travels a lot 1 year from now. So get ready. Let's see your romance angels. Give your relationship a chance, work on your partnership. Ooh, so a relationship is coming, and yes, you will have to work on it. It won't be easy, but my god, it has potential, a lot of potential. Let's see your charms. So, pile number one. That was interesting. So, friends, make sure to subscribe. Make my day a better one, also, please, friends. Option one, 1 year from now, what will happen? Okay, lots of charms for you. Let's see. So ship is here, so definitely some of you could be finding jobs in navies, armed forces, or something, or some of you could be relocating, or I told you, moving towards a country or city which has a sea, or which has countryside, or something like that. Or some of you are attracting a person which is from army, navy, or all such things. Let's see the alphabets. E. Wow, there's a lot of E here. E. Wow, all three E's are here. That's interesting. Maybe you will join a company which is called EEE, like www dot, so something like eee.com, like there is this www dot world wide web, right? So yeah, I think you are innovators. You are going to innovate something. You're going to change our world. Yes, friends. Or maybe I feel some of you might get pregnant. If you are married, you might bring a baby 1 year from now, and that baby is very important for this world, for humanity. So, yeah, that child is very gifted, and maybe some of you are looking, or you have tried many times for a baby, So, 1 year from now, you will achieve it. I'm a stupid baby. Look. Yeah, so there is you're going to attract a lover, friends. That's for sure. Number 26 is important. Number 4 is important. Number 44 is important. Number 25 is important. So, wow. Interesting. 25, 26 both are here. The car, yeah, some of you are going to buy a very, you are going into luxury 1 year from now. So, your living status will expand, as I said. So, some of you will buy your first car, your dream car, or some of you will buy your first house, or, your income will improve. So, you will be able to take care of yourself better. Shoes, yes. Some of you might start a business dealing with shoes, or you might become, actors or brand ambassadors of a shoe company. Yeah, I'm taking your autograph, pile number one. I mean it. I seriously mean it. Because I don't think so. I hope you continue to support us, Magic Gwen's Tarot, won't you? I think you will. 6 of 6, yeah, so number 6 is important. So maybe the next 6 months are important, or number 6, the 6th month of June is important for some of you. Apple, yeah, health will be better. Health will be excellent 1 year from now. Look at this. Casablanca, the tree of life. Yeah, friends, you are building something which is going to last you a long time, like you are building an empire or success or love, so things are going to last a long time. The moonbeam, sorry, friends, your emotions will be high 1 year from now. Some confusing emotions are there. And look at that, the soul, the lion, the sun lion. This is beautiful. Aries, Leo, Sag person is important. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. Also, you taking charge of your destiny. You going after your dreams. No longer being in your comfort zone. You going after your dreams. Right now, you are not able to move out of your comfort zone, or you feel restricted. But 1 year from now, you will be bold. You will go. You will do things that you want to do. Look at that. Oh, a blush is there. So something will happen that will make you blush. Probably a first kiss, maybe a first night, something exciting, maybe a first baby, a first car. Look at that. You are the sunshine. You are my sunshine, and you are my sunshine, and you make me happy when the skies are gray. So definitely, someone is coming, and they love you and they need you a lot, because this person, you are their sunshine. So yeah, let's see what else. Nine of coins, money is coming. Some of you will start something of your own, maybe teaching, maybe counseling or something, and you're gonna be rocking at it. Yes, Knight of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. Star, yes, your destiny is very, very high next 1 year. Fated, Five of Cups. You will recover from past losses. Any losses you had, you will understand why it happened. Five of Wands, conflict. Right now, you feel conflicted, you feel confused. People are not supporting you. Competition, yes, competition is there. King of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Don't worry about the competition, just go with it. February, believe in yourself. February is also important. Asia is important, yes. So some of you might be traveling to Asia in February, or some of you might be traveling from Asia to in February, from Asia to somewhere else, getting married to an Asian. Yellow is important. So woof, Hi number one, what an amazing reading. Let me know if you enjoyed this reading. Subscribe, Magic Wednesday. Bye for now. So friends, for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful gift card, let us see what will happen 1 year from now for you. And this is a charms reading, friends. So let's begin. Let's not waste any more time. Number 17. Wow. Perfect. Number 8. 8 is of destiny, the number of Saturn, the number of karma, the number of luck. These are your oracle messages. This is your romance angels message. And let's see. And how are you all doing? I was just having a chocolate pastry just before doing this reading, and oh my god, I'm a bit hungry. Let's see. I hope you all are doing well. So, friends, right now, oh my god, the Ten of Swords. I feel you are trying to recover, or you are going through an ending in your life, friends. Maybe in career or in a love relationship. I feel you feel right now you are feeling defeated, like defeated in every aspect of life. You feel like life is not going well. Also, some of you are not feeling energized or motivated. You are not feeling motivated. You are feeling a lack of inspiration, motivation. This energy is like you are done with something. You are like, I'm done with life, I'm done with love, I'm done with marriages, I'm done with this, I'm done with that. Ooh, strong energies, but it's okay. Take a deep breath, because friends, this is an ending. This is not just this is not how the whole picture is, because this is just the beginning of a new era for you, I feel. So because this is 10, so this is the ending, so something new is about to start for you. Let's see what else. Wow. Yeah, look at that. Six of Wands. Definitely, friends, you are going to attract a lot of success towards you, and I do feel it's coming for you, and you are moving towards success, you are moving towards happiness, and towards, motivation, and towards excitement. So keep moving forward. I think some of you are like, this dark night is never going to end. When is it going to end? Friends, the minute you start moving out, or the minute you say yes to something nice, that is when it starts to end. So, friends, say yes to something good. Say yes to going out. Make a change in your routine right now. Go out, change your routine. Maybe take a holiday or go on a trip. If you can't, maybe learn something new. Maybe make something like have a chocolate pastry, shop something, buy something that you love, because you're going through a dark night. You're going through an ending and you feel a bit disappointed. But it is shifting, friends. Something is coming your way. Success is coming your way. Also, you are moving forward. You are moving towards, and you're very strongly moving towards motivation, excitement, success, promotions. So, a lot of things are coming towards you. Keep charging ahead. Don't stay in this energy of darkness. Don't stay in this energy of, oh, my life is not going to change. No. Because why I'm saying this again, because you chose this number 17, the gift. Something is coming your way, friends, 1 year from now, or even quicker than that. But if you are too negative, you might miss it. Don't do that. Don't do that. Ace of Rods. Yes, some new 1 year from now, you will find your excitement. You will find your happiness. You will find the reason to live. You will be very excited, and not only excited, you will be actually going places 1 year from now. So if you are feeling you have no job, forget about job. 1 year from now, you will be getting promoted. So a job will be there, and you will be also getting promoted. So who? It's like ho ho ho, like the Santa says, Santa Claus. So stay active, stay positive, keep moving forward. So that's how it is. 1 year from now, you are going to find things, or you are going to start something new, which will be very, very good for you and very lucky for you, especially in career, especially in money and education. Like right now, you are ending a college, or you are ending a course, or you just feel unhappy with the course, you want to change it. Probably it might be a good change for you, because 1 year from now you will find your life purpose. You will connect with it. You will find more happiness, more success, more promotions, more awards. So great. Ten of Pentacles, yes. 1 year from now, definitely you are going to build an inheritance. Some of you are going to build, if you have family businesses, you will expand that, or you will join your family businesses. Also, maybe you are, maybe you come from a family like everyone is a doctor, everyone is a lawyer, so you want to do something else. So yes, you will be successful in doing something else, because you may have tried to be a doctor, to be a lawyer, to be something that everyone has done in your family. But I see 1 year from now, you are going to do something that you feel passionate about, and you will be extremely successful about it, and you will be the first in your family to do that. I also feel that for some of you, money is coming, or a very rich person. You are attracting someone which is a very passionate connection, but it is also someone very rich, very gifted, very talented. So get ready for that. You might work with this person, or you might study with this person. So get ready. Lovers, yes, choices are coming for you. 1 year from now, you will have a lot of choices, friends. Right now, your life is like, where is my choice? There is only dead ends. What do I look forward to? 1 year from now, not only you will have much to look forward, you will also have choices, and a very sexual, steamy connection is coming. So get ready, friends. Get ready. It might be a very, you might meet someone very seductive, and maybe they come as an arranged marriage, or from your family, or maybe you find this person through your work or career, or online, but whatever the connection, the passion, look at that, sexual chemistry is super high. I also feel, friends, if some of you are going through some gender issues or sexuality issues, like you are not comfortable with your body, your weight, or anything like that, 1 year from now you will feel more comfortable about these things. You will feel more comfortable and confident with your body, with your weight, with your health. Whatever you're dealing, whatever you fear right now, you will feel more comfortable and accomplished by the end of 1 year. Also, choices in love are coming. Yes, 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 yes. If some of you feel right now that you don't have options, like someone is telling you to get married but you don't have any lover, 1 year from now you will have a very steamy and sexy relationship, more lovers to date, more people to meet, more friendships coming. So, yeah, you will have that. You will have that. The star, your creativity will be very, very high, friends. 1 year from now your stars will be shining, and look at that, that's number 17. This is also number 17, the same card from two different decks. Your wishes are going to come true 1 year from now, so don't lose hope. If you are an artist and giving up hope, like no, our future is dark, what will happen, don't lose hope, friends. 1 year from now, whatever you do, you will find success in it, especially in work, career, and even in love. You will find many people, many gifted people, many soulmates are coming your way, and some of you will attract your twin flame, so get ready. If someone left you because of a marriage, there is a strong chance they will come back to you again 1 year from now, so get ready for that. Page of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Yes, a loving and caring person is coming towards you 1 year from now. So a lot is happening. Emotionally, you will feel happy. A lot of choices are there. 2, 3 lovers, or new even. Pile number 2, I feel you need some new connections also, like friendships. Because right now I see you feel lonely. You feel like it's the end of the world. So 1 year from now, you will have friendships that are like family. You can count on them. They will help you through good and bad. They are like a star. They are like the support system for you. Some of you might start joint businesses with them, or collaborations, or work or study with them. For others, you might get married to a friend of yours, or to, a friend's friends. So that is also there. Get ready. Queen of Rods, yes, you'll be taking charge of your life. You will be very successful 1 year from now, and you will connect with your passion. Some of you are like, what is passion? We don't have any passion. We don't feel excited about anything in life. So maybe some of you will be changing your life purpose. You will be doing something you feel very passionate about. I see some of you will be joining modeling or something, actors, models. I see awards coming for you. I see someone getting crowned here. So, yes, a crown is coming for you. Whatever you do, whether you are going for, the Mrs. Universe, Miss Universe, or whatever, you know, maybe you are just going for, like, I will improve my health, I'm going to change my look, I'm going to work on it, I'm going to get married and find my own lover to get married. Yes, it will happen. You will be crowned with success. You are going to get a gift, and it is a gift from destiny. Aries, Leo, Sag person is also important. 1 year from now, you will also have a lot of choices, friends. Choices in love and work. Like, you can go abroad and study, or you can stay here and study or work. And, lots of new people are coming. So, your soul tribe, your soul family is growing. So, a lot of friendships are coming. New connections are coming. And some of them will grow into love, into deep love and emotions. And some of you will also explore intimacy, sexual intimacy, becoming comfortable with your sexuality, with your sexual orientations, with your mind, with your body, with your health, with what is marriage. You are changing things. What is marriage to you? What does love means to you? So you are changing a lot, many things. Knight of Pentacles, yeah. I see that all these changes will come slowly for you in 1 year. Like pile one was quick changes, but you will see these changes slowly, slowly. So don't lose hope, because these changes are definitely going to happen for you. Some of you, I see, you will be traveling to some other city or country for and settling there for marriage, or you will meet someone there for who has, like, you will move in with them. I don't see marriage, but I see like you move in with them, or you have flatmates with them, something like that, or you work with them. So a lot of some of you are also, any career success will be very, very high. A lot of success, your creativity will be super high. So if you are a if you are not into creativity, you might become a creative person by the end of 1 year. So get ready. But things will be shifting slowly for you. It won't be an overnight change. So keep your patience and keep taking charge, stay focused, and change your routine. Because don't be on this life is negative now. Don't stay there. Good things are coming. Trust. Yes, trust. It may seem like nothing is happening now, but soon things will shift for you in the right direction. You will be shown one thing after the other. I see, like, something will happen, like you get a job, then you get promoted, and they send you abroad, and then you meet someone, and then you fall in love, and then you get married. So, everything will happen one step by step in a cyclic way for you. So trust, you are going in the right direction. Also, let go of control. You are trying to hold life to, like you're trying to control life. Don't. You're trying to control the past. You're trying to get them back. Let it be. Let them go. Let it fly. Let what is destined for you come towards you. So 1 year from now, your trust in faith, in the universe, in destiny will become very strong, because you are going to attract what you want. Your wishes are going to come true. The door to healing and happiness is opening for you. Yes, absolutely. Maybe some of you feel you are too old for a lover or to get married, but I think you will find it a very sexual, steamy connection, new friendships, new support systems, new family also. Some of you may feel like you are too old or too young to start a business or new job, but you are going to do it because 1 year from now, because it's your destiny. So get ready. Indecision. I use my intuition in all aspects of your life, aspects of my life. So, friends, yeah, that's one thing I told you. You will have many choices as you move towards this 1 year. In this 1 year from now, you will have choices. Even now, you have a choice to focus on your future or to focus on being positive. So, do that. Maybe you are confused about which way to go, which person to stay with. Choose yourself, choose peace, choose happiness. Let's see this extra romance angels, and then we're gonna see your charms. Who flirt, extend your light-hearted energy to others. Wow, friends, I do feel a lot of flirtatious energy, a very passionate relationship, but at the same time a very exciting connection, creative connection. Maybe you both will create together something, like a shop, a bakery shop, maybe, a painting, a project, or you'll work together, or you'll create a baby together. So stay light-hearted, stay light-hearted. Good friendships are coming your way, and they will be your family. Your soul family will connect with you 1 year from now. Let's see your chance. And at least this dark night would end, which is quite bothersome there in the corner. Option number 2, 1 year from now, what will happen? Okay, let's take some more. Alright. See, you're going to turn into a superhero or a superheroine 1 year from now. Some of you might actually act, I feel, 1 year from now, and you may have no idea that you are going to act in a movie, or you are going to produce a movie or a music video, or you are going to sing or something. But I see you doing something that you just have no idea, but you are going to be superbly good at it. So go for it, friends, go for it. Let me just separate them. We have two snowflakes here, so they are important, A and O, and I can never get them out. I don't know why, I keep forgetting also. So LOA, law of attraction. Yeah, you are going to connect with that law of attraction. Look at that. Ooh, interesting. LOA, oh wow. So we got the snowflake out. Ooh, interesting. So I think the hidden blessing is coming your way 1 year from now. Something will happen which is quite hidden to you yet, but it is going to happen. A secret gift, a secret relationship, an amazing connection is coming your way. So LOA, connecting with law of attraction. Ooh, some of you might be giving some exams or something. I don't know. Net is here. So maybe you are giving some exams or something and you will be successful in it. Or maybe internet, you are going to meet someone on the internet or do some work on the internet which will be quite successful. I also see tea. Yeah, so maybe you will open a restaurant in 1 year from now, or you will start something on similar ish things, Like tea is also about friendships. So you will find, good friendships 1 year from now. So yeah, success also in work, promotions. The superhero. So superhero, yeah, you are going to super achieve in your life and career. Number 23 is important. Number 66 is important. No, I think it is 99. Yeah, it is 99. Number 999 is important and 23 is important. The red house. I feel you're gonna find your passions, friends. Something right now you are finding, like, life has no meaning, there is no passion, there is no excitement, you are not getting what you want. 1 year from now, you will feel excited. Life will have passions. The warrior, keep fighting, friends. You have a warrior spirit. Don't give up. And also your soul family, right now you feel alone, isolated, but 1 year from now, your soul family, your warriors family, your spirit guides, you will feel very connected with them. So new friendships. The purse, money is coming. Are you having money worries, friends? Yes, money is coming. Lots of money coming your way 1 year from now. So get ready. At least your things, your situation will be stable then from now, 1 year from now. The teapot, yes, something is brewing for you. Something is manifesting for you, a gift. So get ready. Whoa, the sports car, look at that, the racing car. So some of you may start into bike racings, although very risky. Please take precautions. Wear your perfect gear, otherwise not recommended. Take some professional professional what you say, training and all, otherwise, but I see that you will get a lot of money, so you will buy a car. It may come, or maybe, you will start a business which will help you to, or business, or maybe you will get a promotion, or you will start a work with a car company, or you will start a work where you get a car for, driving or something, or passes, so car is like luxury, success, money coming your way. Green car, healing, money, healing of your life. Ooh, the lips, the kiss. Oh God, friends, a very steamy connection is coming. A very, very passionate connection is coming. I see a lot of passionate connections coming your way 1 year from now. So get ready. Snowflakes, wishes coming true. The heart, yes. Your heart's wishes will be, you will be happy 1 year from now. Something will happen which will make you feel happy. The pearl is here. So, take care of your emotions, and you are precious. Believe that. The heart is here again. I definitely feel, this is like an award, a medal, a reward, some sort of a crowning coming your way, like you getting a movement, aha movement, like you get the success, victory. The tree of life, yes. Family is important. You will connect, with your soul family, with spiritual family, with, even with your parents. If you are having issues with in-laws or parents, it will heal. You will find some love there. The owl, yes, you are going to get very sorry, friends, someone is remembering. I don't know who is remembering you, but someone is remembering you, maybe your future self. We are going to do that reading, future self, messages from your future self. So you should, 1 year from now, a lot you will feel very connected. You will feel like yes, you are destiny's own child, very connected, very aligned with intuition, with your own sense of purpose. Excitement is there, made with love. Yes, someone will commit to you, friends. Someone who was cheating or someone who was dicey coming in and out of your life, they will commit to you or they will show some maturity towards you. So get ready. Nine of coins, a lot of money is coming, a lot of independence is coming, freedom, happiness, soulmate is coming. See, I saw that. I told you, not just a soulmate, soul friendships are coming. Tiger, you'll be bold, you'll be successful. Woof, pile number two. Awesome. Subscribe Magic Wens Tarot and bye for now. So, friends, for those who chose option number three, oops, this beautiful message card. Let us see how 1 year from now how things will be for you. It is a charms reading, friends, and look at this. This is a message with a seal, and a beautiful pen is here. Number 7, yeah, and lots of other letters here, and jewels are there. Wow, interesting. Something interesting will happen. Mysterious, interesting. Pile number 3, this is your romance angels messages. These are your oracle cards. We'll see your charms in shortly, right after the cards. So friends, 1 year from now, what will happen? Let's see. Ooh, the 8 of swords. Wow. Currently you are feeling like you are feeling very tied down. It may not be like you are feeling, I feel mentally you are feeling like you have no options, you are feeling restricted, you are also feeling like you don't have money to travel, or maybe the world situation is making you feel like restricted, so you feel frustrated right now. A lot of frustration is there, like a lot of anger also. I think somewhere there is a situation in your life, friends, right now where you feel you can't do anything to change it. Like you can't change, like maybe the world situation, you can't change it. Of course, we can't, because we can't. You know that we can't. So you feel frustrated about that, or maybe it's a love situation that you feel frustrated that you want to do something but you can't. Your hands are tied. So you feel frustrated. There's a sense of frustration right now. I feel that frustration and anger, repressed anger. So what else? 4 of Pentacles. Yeah, some of you are also wondering, some of you are feeling when you will have enough money in your life, enough freedom in your life, liberation. When will you have enough money in your life to make your life happy? Or when will you have this stability, emotional and mental stability to make things better in life? When is it going to happen? It is going to happen. Right now, you may be feeling like you have to be very careful when you are spending your money, or you are being very careful when you are talking to people. I feel trust issues both emotionally and financially, like you don't trust people or you don't trust the universe to give you your money back. So you are a little frustrated, you are a little restricted, but this is the current energy. So what will happen 1 year from now? Look, you'll be in the emperor's shoes. You are going to own this energy of the emperor. You are going to take charge of your life. You are going to be in a leadership position, and it will be a very bold position, and it will be a very challenging position, but you're gonna do a lot of justice to it. So some of you are going to become leaders 1 year from now. Some of you may also going to join some groups or politics or some sort of like social activism or something, or you are businessman, so you're going to become the best in your game. Whatever you do, you are going to lead, you are going to connect with your personal power. Like you are a female right now, you feel you don't have enough financial independence, but 1 year from now you will be the man. How? You will be earning, you'll be taking care of yourself, you'll be financially independent. If you are a student right now, you're worried like money is affecting your your life, your options in life, your comfort, or like you can't do something, like you want to learn something but money is not there. 1 year from now, you will be in position of command. You will be in a position of command, a leadership, and You will be in a position where you can make your own life's decisions. So you will be at a leadership role and connecting with your personal power. So wow, all this anger, all this frustration, all this people making your taking your decisions, you feeling powerless, that's going to change. Right now you feel powerless. 1 year from now you will connect with your power. You will be very happy. You will be in control, in charge, taking leading your life in all areas. Whoa. Ace of Swords, look at that. Breakthroughs. Amazing breakthroughs are coming for you, friends. 1 year from now, and even right now, I feel 1 month from now, you are going to get a lot of options, ideas, inspirations, which can change your life, your destiny. Some of you might travel, some of you might relocate, some of you might actually, shift or buy a new house, and it is going to turn your life. It is going, or you might change a career, or change your, education, or you might become a leader in whatever you are doing right now. So a breakthrough, it is like a breakthrough. Lots of breakthroughs are coming for you, and inspirational breakthroughs, something that you are given an idea, and then you work on it and you change your life. 1 year from now, definitely, most of you are moving, shifting, relocating. I see you living at a different place than you are living right now, and it will help you to make feel very powerful. It will help you to feel very strong financially, also emotionally, also. So you are also moving away from challenges. 1 year from now, you will be at a safe place. Right now, you feel restricted. Right now, you feel people are dominating you. But 1 year from now, you will be the leader. No one can dominate you. It will all be past. I see some of you will be living in some another city, like, or you are dealing with someone from another city 1 year from now, another city or country. I do see someone coming towards you. I see actually you going towards them from towards some other city, country, and for maybe for love or for work. You are going to settle there. King of Cups, yes. A very strong emotional relationship is coming. A commitment is coming 1 year from now for some of you. I do feel you have always attracted people who are dominating, or who don't give you what you want, or who make you feel like you just can't have something better. So now you are going to attract people who are givers, who are stable, who are giving to you, who are kind, who are respectful, and who do not dominate you. So get ready, friends. 1 year from now, things will be very different. You will have an emotional maturity about yourself. You will also feel very happy, like, finally, end of worries, end of this powerlessness. You will also have a lot to offer to the world. Right now you feel like, underconfident. You feel like an underdog, like, oh, what do we have, what can we give to the world? My god, you can give a lot to the world. You have a kind heart, you have a fighter's spirit, you are a leader. You can teach the world how to lead. Maybe you can be a good chef, maybe you can just lead a group of people, or you can lead, like, you are good at maths, you can lead there. It can be different how you will lead, but you can lead with a compassionate heart. So you have a lot to give to the world, and 1 year from now you will feel happy. You will feel happy leading, taking charge. And actually your reason of frustration is that only, that right now you are a leader, but nobody is letting you lead. So 1 year from now, you can expect a change of home, a change of living, a change of career, or, like relocations. Also a new relationship, a stable person, someone who is a giver, someone who is kind is coming. The world, yeah. You will be stepping outside of your comfort zone. You will be changing your life entirely. People who know you right now, you may not know them 1 year from now, because your life is changing. You are shifting. You are shifting. You are changing who you are. You will take charge of your life. You will step out of your comfort zone. And I also feel that you will meet someone from another country, another religion, another culture, and they are your destiny. This person, you both have a purpose, you both have a destiny together. 8 of Pentacles, yes, you will be working. If some of you don't have a job, you will have a job 1 year from now, and you will be minting money. Yes, lots of money. Green, green, green. Gold, gold, gold. So money, money, money. Also, 1 year from now, you will have someone who wants to work on a connection with you. It could be someone from the past who wants to work on a relationship with you, someone from the long distance. They want to work on a connection with you, or you will have people who want to work in a connection or a marriage with you. So get ready. The Five of Swords. Yeah, I do have a feeling for some of you. You have to listen now carefully. So there is a chance 1 year from now you may attract, because you are a leader, you may attract another leader or another dominating person in your life 1 year from now. But you will not feel happy with that person. You will have a lot of trust issues. This person will dominate, they will play mind games, they will cheat, or you can't just trust that person. Something is very shadowy about that person. So there is a chance 1 year from now you may leave that person and attract another person which is perfect for you, a balanced, a giver, a beautiful, compassionate person, trustworthy. So there will be a change, friends. There will be a change. Look, Eight of Cups. Some of you will leave. 1 year from now, you may leave a toxic connection. You will leave people who are cheating. You will no longer settle for less, because there is a chance, because you are leading 1 year from now, you may attract more leaders. Leaders who are a bit of cheaters. I won't say cheaters, but like you can't trust them. They are like mind players, mind games, you know. You can't trust that person. So you will say bye bye to them very quickly. So 1 year from now, some of you will leave a toxic connection. Some of you will leave your homes if you are being dominated, or if you feel like, some of you, I see you leaving, people who are dominating you 1 year from now, and you are moving towards success. You are moving towards stable, loving, compassionate relationships. Also, some of you might be relocating abroad or coming back from abroad towards your home. That is also there. Some of you may also be moving into a relationship which might end up into marriage, but be careful. There are two people coming 1 year from now. One is the leader, narcissistic leader, or someone you can't trust. The other is a good one. So some of you might have to leave or end a connection 1 year from now, because you can't take, they are dominating, they are selfish. So you will just say, no, I can't deal with it, because you have become wiser, you have learned. So interesting. And I see a lot of money coming your way, a lot of money. Look at that, Four of Pentacles. Your money will double 1 year from now, so get ready. Believe and succeed, the Six of Swords. Here is also the Six of Swords. So definitely, friends, your life will get better, and you will definitely have more choices in the future. 1 year from now, you will be going places. You will have people whom you can trust, and more you can trust yourself. You will have confidence in yourself, your abilities, your gifts, your attraction abilities. So you will feel very confident, not like this powerlessness feeling right now. Adjacent possibilities, yes, lots of doors will open 1 year from now. You will have more people, more friendships, more ideas, and traveling a lot. So more options are available to you 1 year from now. No more restrictions. And trust, I accept that my inner voice will always guide me correctly. Yes, 1 year from now, you will really have to trust your intuition and listen to your listen to your inner voice. Why? Because I do see there will be people, because you are doing so well 1 year from now. There will be people from your past, or a dominating person attracting towards you. So you will have to listen to your intuition. Some things you will say bye bye to 1 year from now, for sure. Like if someone is dominating, a parent, an in-law, or a boss, you will say bye bye, no more, no more. You will create space between them and you. But all this is possible when you trust in yourself, in your inner wisdom, in your success, in your abilities. Trust, that's necessary. Let's see your charms with the romance angels. True love. This is the romance of a lifetime. Yes, friends. If some of you have been disappointed with marriage, you had a broken marriage or something like that, don't worry. A true lover is coming. Don't worry. The love of your lifetime is yet to come. So, yes. And let's see your charms. Question number 3. 1 year from now, what will happen? Oh, almost dropped the chance because my ring got just. Oh, look at that. Did you saw that? There's a ring and it got stuck to my thumb. Wow. I think there's a tradition about, rings on thumb. I mean, there's a tradition like that. I don't know. I don't remember it exactly right now. Let me know if you know it. I think it's a pagan tradition or it's old tradition somewhere. So a marriage is coming for sure. For most of you, a marriage is coming, a commitment is coming. So get ready for that. Look, marriage is here, commitment is here. Let's see. I have a lot of alphabets. Okay. So your options, letters are G, E, E, double E, A, and sage. Wow, you got a sage. So yeah, you are going to find a spiritual mentor, spiritual teacher. Some of you are yourself going to teach others, or you are going to be in a leadership role, wisdom. So that energy is there. What else? Gay, happiness is coming, friends. Gaiety, happiness is coming for you, 1 year from now. I don't know, I can't make anything else. Age is there. Yeah, some of you may be worried that I told you, you are too young or you are too old for something. But I think you are the perfect age or you are the perfect timing. It's the perfect time for you to do that thing or achieve that success. So go for it. GNSEAGE. Reconciliation, yes, reconciliation is going to happen. You are going to reconcile with yourself or with a lover from the past in the future. 7 is important, number 7. Number 26 is important. Number 28 is important for most of you. And the wedding ring, a commitment is coming, whether it is a marriage. Some of you will get married 1 year from now. Some of you will find more than one partner, more choices to get married. Some of you will find a marriage or a job commitment, business or work commitment. Sorry. Hello, I'm a bad idea. Yeah, you will attract someone who is not right, who is a dominating person. You will not like it, and you will find someone who is loving. Hello, I'm yours. You will have choices in love, so be careful. Be careful. You have the plate. So, yeah, your success is coming. Plate is fulfillment. The teapot, something is brewing. Friendships are coming. You have two eyes. Listen to your eyes, inner voice. Listen to your intuition, friends. You also have the specs. So, I don't know why. Maybe you are going to learn something. Your specs are also about wisdom, seeing things as they are. So, yeah, some of you are your talents are going to be seen or spotted by important people, like your company's manager sees your talent and spots you, and you become the next CEO. So something is going to happen. The specs are important here, or you are attracting a lover which has specs. Greenhouse, money, a lot of money is coming your way. Pearl, success is coming. Pearl is also something, a wish come true, rare wish. Lord Ganesha, very much prosperity is coming, friends. The drumbeat, important messages are coming. The leaf is here, a single lone leaf. This is about, letting go, trust, believe in yourself, friends. Believe in yourself and believe that destiny is taking you in the right direction. 9 of Wands, don't give up. Keep walking ahead. Four of coins is also here. Money issues are there right now, but it will change. Mouse, a feeling of powerlessness, Mouse is also learning right now. Learn something, be active. Ladybug, lucky, you're very lucky. You'll be very lucky 1 year from now. Nine of coins, money is coming. Success, independence. Snake, transformation, big change is coming. Six of coins, balance is coming in your life. Queen of cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You already have the King of cups. Doves, forgiveness, forgive yourself, keep a kind heart. Prince of cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. And Eight of coins. Eight of coins. You also have eight of coins. So yeah, you will be busy. 1 year from now, you're busy making your life, settling your life, achieving things, being a leader. Faith. Yeah, keep your faith. You are moving in the right direction. Don't lose faith. 1 year from now, your faith will be restored that yes, life is perfect. Giver. Yeah. You are a giver, friends, but you attract a lot of narcissistic people or egoistic people. So you will have to be careful. I think you are getting smarter now. And I think you will be able to figure out who is the right one for you and who isn't, whether it is in work or love. And look at that. The darkest nights produce the brightest stars. These are beautiful. The darkest nights produce the brightest star. And you're unique. Yes, friends, your destiny is unique. Don't compare it with other person or other people. So 1 year from now, you're gonna be very surprised where you are, and I think you're gonna be very, very happy also. So make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, and this is Mystic C saying bye for now.